Hello everyone, today I am unboxing a smart weather station that I got off Amazon, and that product actually has been launched by one of my Amazon FBA students. So I'm super excited again to actually see how they've done it and what kind of product they have sourced and how is it going to perform. Okay, if you are interested in learning how to find these products and how to launch them on Amazon and sell them on Amazon, then please check out one of my free trainings that I will link down below the video, and also the paid trainings as well. Okay, and I will also put the link to this product to Amazon. Right now it's available at $29.99, but I think that's just an introductory offer, and the normal price is going to be around £45. So if you are watching this video and want to grab one, then you need to be quick. Okay, so let's have a look. That's the smart weather station I got. That's how it arrived. So we've got this picture of this smart weather station here, the picture of the sensor, and let's see what does it say on the box. Smart weather station and temperature humidity remote sensor. Okay, not a lot more. New smart design technology, high precision digital sensors, weather forecast. Okay, so that's pretty much what we want from the smart weather station. Date and time. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's just get to the juice of it. I'm super excited because I love gadgets, I love unboxing things, and just giving you my first impressions. Okay, so we have the manual for it, English, German and French, and we also have Spanish and Italian. Okay, we need to scan QR code for that. So, okay, picture of it. Some of these manuals are rubbish sometimes, so I'm always wondering, is this one going to be good or not? It seems to have lots of pictures, lots of explanatory drawings, which is good. Okay, that seems to be relatively easy. I would probably still recommend reading the manual anyway. It's not that long, guys. I mean, come on. Oh, okay, hang on. It's got an app as well, and it's the Smart Life app. So you may be already using this for some of your other devices. So that's good, actually. I've got this for two of my other products as well. So I'm just going to connect it and see how it performs. We've got the app control, which is great. Okay, so it seems to be very interesting. Share device, remove device, and that's it. Okay, so just a few pages really. You can quickly go through them. I highly recommend always reading manuals. Anyway, we've got the thank you card as well. There is an ebook you can download here when you scan the QR code. Apparently with it as well. Good, okay, so we've got the thank you card, and then we've got the station, the weather station. I haven't looked inside yet, so super excited. Let's look. Let's put this in. Okay, so you can actually hang this on the wall as well, or use the stand here, just like that. It's gonna look nice. Cool. Charging port, out 5 volts port, 1 ampere. So maybe you can actually use this for charging as well, presumably those sensors. Okay, let's have a look at the sensors. No, they don't have any charging ports, so I think they are battery operated. So let's go back to it. Okay, Wi-Fi and sync and pair. So not a lot of buttons here. How do you switch that thing off? I think you need to actually connect it. Always, everything needs power. Okay, so there is your charger, which is presumably type 1 or type 2. And that's a micro USB port. So let's have a look. Okay, quite a long cable. I would say maybe about a meter. Maybe a meter, yes. Okay, I don't have any cable around here. but maybe I can. If you give me a second, let's connect it and let's see how it looks. Okay, I'm back. So I've just connected it. It doesn't have any sensors now, but it's trying to connect to either Wi-Fi or sensors. Okay, it looks quite good, quite bright as well. Okay, I hope you can see this. The cable is quite short. Anyway, let's have a look what else is in the box. So we have 3 sensors here, okay, which is good. I wonder if you need to use one for outside, presumably. Perhaps you need to actually use one for inside. I don't know if that has any sensors built in. Input 5 volts. Okay, so that's your charging port for if you hang it on the wall actually, which is nice. Is this a button? No, it's just a stand. I'm not sure if that small hole is a sensor or something else. It's got this touch button here that you can actually change the brightness of it. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's got 4 levels. It's quite bright here, so I'm just going to leave it like that. And I'm guessing, I haven't read the manual, I'm guessing we need to, it's got this little lock here. I don't want to break it, maybe I'll play around with it later. Apparently you need to take this out, I don't know how. I need to read the manual. Anyway, it's got the 3 sensors in it, the cable, the weather station, and the charger. That is really it. Okay, that's all there is in the box. I'm really interested to see how it's going to perform. I'm going to do a full review of this item once I test it, once I see how those sensors work and everything else. And I will report back, but my first impressions are actually quite good. And the price-wise, I mean, looking at what's available, design is superb. Okay, weather stations. I mean, some of them can cost like 190 pounds, okay? They've got those bulky sensors. This one have only really small sensors. It's like, what, 2 inches or something like that. So very small sensors. I'm super interested to see how it's going to perform and what this smart station can do. So for now, this is going to be everything for that video. Really nice design. That's my first impression. You've got 3 sensors, 1 presumably for inside, 2 for outside, maybe for sun and shade, I don't know. And you have the charger, you have the cable, and this nice looking smart weather station. So we'll see how it works, we'll see how it performs, and I will report back in one of the next videos. So stay tuned to my channel. The link to this weather station is going to be down below this video. And like I said, if you want to learn how to actually find those products and source them on Amazon, source them and sell them on Amazon, then check out one of my free and paid trainings as well. Links are all below this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye bye.